Hello, today I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. Yeah, and it is so beautiful. So for this flower, I like to add on my half top, like this one. Yeah, to make this, we need hook and something to cut the yarn, also the needle. And I need two colors for this beautiful flower. I am going to use the blue one inside and the pink one for the outside for the flower. Yeah, so let's start. So first thing first, we need to make the magic ring. So the magic ring is you have to put the yarn over your finger like this and then rub on your finger. So now you have the X like this, and then put your hook under the yarn and yarn over, and then put the hook under this yarn, this one, and pull through. Like this. So we make one more. Wrap the yarn over your finger. Use this hook and then yarn over, and then you can take this yarn like this and pull through. Nice. And now we have the magic ring. So this magic ring is you can make it smaller or make it bigger, just like this. And then next step, we have to chain one and do the single crochet. You just put the hook inside the magic ring and then yarn over and then pull through 2 loops, one and another one. We do the same thing until we have 6 single crochet inside our magic ring. Now I have 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. Then you have this tail, pull it, make it round. Okay, pull it. And now what we have to do is this loop here, this loop here, we place the slip stitch. And then chain one, and in the same loop that we place the slip stitch, we place one single crochet, and the next one here we place 2 single crochet, yeah. So I did 1 and 2. So this round we need to place 2 single crochet inside each loop. So this way make your your round crochet is flat, not like a cup. Okay, so this tail you just cut it out, there's no problem. So for me, I will cut it out. Normally I bring it with you, but this time I just cut it out. And we just need to do some more crochet, some more single crochet, and then we will reach the place. Okay, here I will place 2 more double crochet. Two single crochet, and then I cut my yarn, pull through, and then we use our hook here. Put the yarn inside the hook, inside the loop of the yarn, of the needle, pull through, and then here and then I will hide it somewhere. Okay, and then the next step, change the color. Use the pink one or your favorite color. You can insert the hook anywhere you want. So for me, I will place here, insert the loop here, and then yarn over with the pink color. Then we chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you yarn 5 times. Not 5 times, but you yarn until you have the 5 yarn on your hook. Now I have 2, 4, 5, and then after you have 5, the next loop, I think the next loop is here. Here, yarn over, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, and the last one, yarn over, pull through 2, and now you still have 2. Then the next one, we will do 2 until you have 4. So 2, 2, 4. You have 4 yarn on your hook, and then you skip this one here, here. You don't really see it, but here. Okay, yarn over, and now you have 5. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 3, then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then here in the same loop place one slip stitch. Then we chain 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the, use your hook to yarn over, make it 5 again. 2, 4, 5. And the next loop, the next one is here. Yarn over, and pull through the 2 loop, pull through 2 again, yarn over, pull through 2. We just do the same thing, yarn over and pull through 2, and now you have 2, yarn over 2 more time, and then you have 4 on the loop, on the hook, and then the third one, 1, 2. Place, insert your hook inside the next, inside the second loop, and then yarn over, and you have 5 on your hook, yarn over, through to pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 3, and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And in the same loop, we do the slip stitch again. Okay, so I will show you one more, and then after this one, you have to do it yourself, and we will meet when we finish our work here. Until here, I will show you again what to do next. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn, 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 and yarn, 2, 4, 5. 5. The next loop is here. They are very close to each other. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn, 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 yarn. You have 4. The first loop, the second loop, we place on the second one, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 3. That's it. Chain more, 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then on the same loop here, we do the single crochet. Okay, so please do it. Just do the same thing, and then we will meet when I am here. So here I am, and I'm sorry for the first part. Here and here I said the slip stitch when you do the 6 chain, and here, but it is not a slip stitch, it is the single crochet. Okay, so here I have 6 chain, and I will yarn over and over until I have 5 yarn on my hook. So the next one, the next hook, sorry, the next loop, I will yarn over and do just the same thing. So this is the last one. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is one stick left, and I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will do one more, and then we will finish our work here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finish. And here on the same loop, let's place single crochet, and then cut your yarn, pull, use the needle, hide it somewhere, just put. Okay, nice. So here we go. Beautiful. Nice. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and you will love the flower after you make it. You can put anywhere you want. So beautiful. I love it so much. Okay, see you. Bye.